Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is pest and pest management in medicinal plant. In case of good agriculture practices, to control the pest is most important issue because the pests are damaging or destroying the medicinal plants to a large extent. So how to control that pest and what are the different types of pests which are causing damage or destruction of medicinal plant, that we are going to study under this topic. An undesired plant or animal species is termed as pest. So what is pest? Any undesired plant or animal species is known as pest, and the chemicals which are obtained from synthetic and natural sources used against these pests in small concentration are known as pesticide. So whatever the chemicals which are obtained from synthetic as well as natural sources and they are used to control these pests, they are known as pesticides. Now the different types of pests which are known to occur on medicinal plants and they will damage or destroy the medicinal plant. The different types of pests are as follows. First one is fungi, and there are certain examples of different species of fungi that will cause damage to plant and various type of diseases in plant. First is Curularia prasidi, which causes lesion, withering, death of leaves and other parts. So the leaves will die in case of this disease, and that disease is known as leaf blight. Second one is Septoria digitalis, Phyllostricta digitalis, Ascochyta kashmiriana. All these are the species. They will cause disease that is known as leaf spot. In case of leaf spot, the area where the disease will occur, that will get discolored. So discoloring of that area, that will indicate the disease leaf spot, and that disease can be identified, and these are the different species which are causing this disease on digitalis plant. After that, third example is Thiclavia basicola, that will cause deterioration of roots. That disease is known as root rot in Hyoscyamus. In case of Hyoscyamus plant, this species will cause rotting of roots. Next one is Phytophthora species, which again causes lesion, withering and death of leaves and other parts, that is blight in vinca. After that, Pythium spinosum, that will causes deterioration of rhizome, and Pythium rhizome rot is the disease. So these are the different types of diseases such as leaf spot, leaf blight, rotting of roots, rotting of rhizomes. These are the different types of diseases which are occur by fungi, and these are the different species which are responsible for producing diseases on various plants. Another species is Ascochyta atrope, that will cause grayish white irregular spot. Grayish white irregular spots are produced on the leaf and leaf necrosis will occur, and that disease is known as leaf necrosis, which is caused by Ascochyta atrope. Next one is Cercospora atrope, which produce round to angular brown color spot with chestnut color margin. The brown colored spots are produced and having a margin of chestnut color, and the disease is known as leaf spot, which is produced due to Cercospora atrope. Phytophthora nicotinae, dropping of young leaves, yellowing of older leaves, drying of whole apical portion. So in this disease, the young leaves will drop, older leaves become yellow, and the whole apical portion will dry, and that disease is known as Phytophthora root rot, and this type of disease will occur on belladonna plant. Fusarium solani, Pythium butleri, Phytophthora erythrospectica, that causes damping off in young seedlings. Young seedlings damping off will occur, and black coloration of root will occur. That disease is known as Phytophthora rot disease. So leaf spot, leaf necrosis, Phytophthora rot diseases, and root rot, rhizome rot, these are the different types of diseases which are produced by various type of or various species of fungi. Next one is viruses. Many different viruses are also cause some diseases, and these type of diseases which occur, that includes necrosis of leaves, petioles, stem of different solanaceous plants. So all the plants which comes under Solanaceae family, that shows necrosis of leaves, petioles and stem, and that disease is caused by tobacco mosaic virus or cucumber mosaic virus. Now cucumber mosaic virus will also cause or affects Hyoscyamus, Rauwolfia, tobacco, Datura, Vinca and eucalyptus plant. Tobacco ring spot virus, that will cause damage to digitalis leaves. So all these are the different types of viruses which produce different types of diseases on plant. Next one is insects. It is found that the total number of insect species in the world is larger than the total number of species of all other forms of life put together. So when we are seeing the number of species which are present on the earth of insect, it is more than all other remaining species which are present on the world, throughout the world. About 1 million species of insects have been reported, and these small creatures cause drastic problem from which the plant must be properly protected. All the insect pests belong to animal kingdom of phylum Arthropoda. So the insects are belong to animal kingdom, and which comes under the phylum Arthropoda, and they are further placed under two morphological group. First one is biting and chewing insects, second one is piercing and sucking insect. In most cases, the adult form in metamorphosis of these insects is damaging in nature. Metamorphosis means those they are going under birth transformation, hatching, that means changes in structure, body of insect due to cell growth and differentiation, that is known as metamorphosis. So those adults which are in metamorphosis form, they are causing more damage to the plant, but in certain instances the earlier stage like larvae is also destructive to the plants. Now there are different species of insects which causes damage to different types of medicinal plant. For example, Mentha piperita or Mentha species, which is damaged by an insect Phytomyza atricornis. Second one is Rauwolfia serpentina, which is the diseases which are or damage causing by the insect are Diphonia, Nilgirica, Indomia, Cretaceous, Plantia viridicolis. These are the species which causes damage to Rauwolfia plant, Papiliomycon, Hadapsis cori avedri. These causes damage to dill plant. Gonocephalum species or Agrotis flammatra that causes damage to belladonna plant. Other type of insects which include caterpillar, Lepidopterus larvae, weevil, aphids, pyrilla, locusts, spindle, ticks, mites. All these are the different forms of insects which causes damage to medicinal plants. Next one is weed. A weed is an undesired plant. It can produce losses more than any other pest or diseases. So weed are more dangerous than any other pest or any other type of disease which caused due to fungi or viruses. They cause depletion and shortage of nutrients, water, light, space to the cultivated plant. So whatever the nutrients which are essential for the growth of medicinal plant, that nutrients are used by these weeds. Water is absorbed by these weeds, so less amount of water is available for the plant. Light is also, space is also taken by the weed, and there will be no space for medicinal plant to grow. They also increase the cost of labor and equipment and reduce the quality of cultivated plants. Naturally, if the weeds are produced, then that should be removed, and to remove that it requires labor, and so the cost of labor, equipments are required, and it will reduce the quality of the cultivated plant. Whatever the nutrients which are required for that herbal medicinal plant, that nutrient, light, space, that is captured by the weed, and due to which the quality of cultivated plant will reduce. It also enhances the chances of attack of bacteria, fungi, viruses and insect. So if the cultivated plant is not develop or grow healthy, then naturally they are more prone to attacks of bacteria, viruses and insect. But among all these, losses of nutrient and moisture due to weed is a major problem of concern to all plants yielding food, medicine, fibers and other raw material. So the loss due to moisture and due to nutrient, it is more because of weed, and that is the major problem of concern with medicinal plant. Now these weeds are producing certain type of allergies that includes hay fever, dermatitis. Hay fever is caused by Parthenium, ragweed, Medican tea, yellow dog. These are the species, they will cause this fever. Dermatitis is caused by poison ivy, western poison oak and varnish tree. Poisonous weed that include Datura species and Menispermum species, that will be a poisonous weed in medicinal plant. Last one is non-insect pest that are classified into two, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates, which includes animals like monkeys, rat, rabbit, squirrel, birds, pig, all these also destroy the crop or medicinal plant. Invertebrate animals like crab, snail, mites, nematodes, all these are also responsible for destruction or damage of medicinal plant. The rodents have sharp incisor teeth with which they cause considerable spoilage to the stored crude drug. So if the crude drug is stored, that crude drug is stored in storehouses, proper care should be taken that it should be protected from rodents, because they have sharp incisor teeth and they will cause spoilage to the crude drug. Also, the fecal matter of these animals causes serious contamination of crude drug. So this is about the different types of pests which are responsible for causing damage to the medicinal plant. Thank you.